As you know, I was very impressed with the sound quality coming from the cheap BOYA BY-XM6 and I wanted to find out if a more expensive BOYA microphone comes with an even better sound quality. So here we are, testing the BOYA BY-XM6 S4. According to the manufacturer, the range of this wireless system is up to 100 meters, 330 feet. Not that I would ever need that when I'm recording with my iPhone, but I still want to check it out. To be honest, I barely can see the tripod with the iPhone anymore. So I'm about 100 meters, 330 feet away, and I'm really curious to find out if you still can hear me and how the sound quality is. If we do have interferences or what's going on. I have no idea. Like I said, I don't think that I ever need this range when I'm recording with my iPhone, but it's nice to have the option. This is a 2.4 GHz wireless dual channel microphone system. Yes, you can actually set this up in an interview-like situation. In the box we get 2 transmitters, 1 receiver and 2 lavalier microphones. On top, a nice carrying pouch in which you can easily fit all the devices, and we have also 2 dead cats, 1 for each transmitter in case outside it's a bit windy. So now we're outside and I'm using the built-in microphone of the iPhone 14 Pro Max to have a direct comparison to the BOYA system. Same scenario, but this time I'm recording using the BOYA BY-XM6 S4, and I'd like to know how the sound quality is and of course if we have a better noise cancellation. So I just connected the lavalier microphone and I don't conceal the cable. This is really just for a sound test to find out if it's better using the lavalier microphone that's included or if it's better to record directly here on the transmitter. On top of the transmitter we have a 3.5mm audio input for our lavalier microphones. We have the direct microphone, and left and right you see 2 slots where you can attach the dead cat. On the side we have the power button that also functions as a mute button. We have plus and minus to higher or to reduce the audio gains, and on the other side we do have a USB-C port to charge our transmitters. On the bottom of the receiver you can switch between mono and stereo. If you select mono, that means all your audio recordings will be mixed in one track, and if you select stereo, your recording will be on 2 separate audio tracks. As soon as you insert the receiver into your phone, the little blue light starts flashing, and that's an indicator that it's ready to pair. Hi. Now all it takes is to power on your transmitter and they will automatically connect. In case they don't, next to the mono stereo switch we have a little button to pair our devices. There's a display on the transmitter that shows us the signal strength. It shows us the microphone, if it's on or if it's muted, the gain, how we amplify the audio level. We can see the actual audio level and also the battery status. On the receiver we have a 3.5mm audio jack to connect headphones for direct monitoring. Of course you can wear it like this. That's not very discreet. You could flip it around and slide it into the shirt. That is way more discreet. Or you could use the lavalier microphone. This is how it sounds when I'm talking directly into the transmitter of the BOYA BY-XM6. I'd like to compare it to the sound quality coming from the included lavalier microphone. And now I connected the lavalier microphone to the transmitter. I want to know if this sounds better or if it sounds the same or if it's slightly worse. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So what do you think? Which sounds better? Me talking directly into the transmitter or talking into the lavalier microphone? I truly believe that the BY-XM6 S4 is an upgrade over the BY-XM6. Of course, it is more expensive, but I think it's worth the money. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. It's a free way to support my channel. Thanks so much for watching this. Till the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye for now.